Hey, it's Ryan with Arbsession. I'm here with a 360 video on the Arbsession Bluetooth Twisteez. The Arbsession Bluetooth Twisteez is a product of the Arbsession prototype mill, and it is 3D printed with a super strong, very robust, but stretchy material called TPU. You might be saying, man, those really look like the wraps we put on our hydraulic hoses on our Bobcat. Well, you'd be right, because that's what we designed this off of. And what this is meant to do is to hold together the wires that you have on your comm system mounted on your helmet and help keep them organized and protected. You can cut this to any length that you need. That's why we've made them a little bit longer than you probably really need. Additionally, you can take them on and off whenever you need to replace or need to swap helmets or anything like that. So if you're looking to upgrade the protection on your Bluetooth comm system, you can go grab your Arbsession Bluetooth Twisteez at arbsession.com. Thanks for watching.